It's called, if you look at the title, Booper Barrio Bosses.
His idea, not mine.
This is the title screen that you start off on. There's easy, medium, and hard. Easy saves your progress after every hit. Medium saves your progress after every kill. No, don't do that. Hard, you just have one heart, and it doesn't save.
Yes.
So we'll go to the hard... Oh, wait. Frig, I don't... Okay, hold on. Look at the keyboard real quick. If you want to start over, hold down Q and click the thing, and you go back to the title screen. So let's do easy and go to the first boss. You can see at the bottom is our health. It shows what... so we've got 3 health for the first person. Down here it shows easy mode, and then over here it shows what round you're on.
And if you click the flag again...
Wait, no, not yet.
Without...
Don't do it.
No, come on.
Just wait. So I've lost a heart.
Yeah.
Because he hit me. And then you're only able to attack while he's attacking.
And then you see his health go down.
Yes.
You also hear this music playing.
So to demonstrate that it saves after every hit, to pay attention to his health, and if we start over, because it's on easy mode, his health stays. But if we go back to this, set it to medium, go back to the first boss, and then do some damage to him.
Darth Vader's attacks, I should mention, are lightsaber throw and a TIE fighter attack, but he can also force throw you, which is if you move randomly across the screen, that's a force throw. So yeah. He is the first boss, and of course we have like 4 bosses.
So he's the easiest. Yeah. So now, because it's on medium difficulty, if I click, that was force throw, his health should be back at full. Yep.
And indeed it is.
So, but because it's on medium difficulty, if I do defeat him, which I shall do, to demonstrate.
I should note that easy saves after every hit,
Wait, I just
medium saves after every boss, so if you beat a boss, it saves after that boss, and you can go back to the boss that you had.
That was our death animation. I was showing that on purpose.
Yes. And
alright, so Darth Vader's our first boss. I'll do it easy mode. In hard mode, go to the first boss, now you only have 1 heart.
And does it still go checkpoints after every round?
No, it should not. It shouldn't. So
you have to beat it all in one line with 1 health.
Without taking 1 hit, so yeah. It's hard mode.
Which he just about failed at.
It's hard mode for a reason. Alright. We'll do it easy, and we'll go to the second boss. Our second boss on the roster, Thanos.
This gauntlet comes across the screen. If you touch that... Yes, this gauntlet. Well, that gauntlet.
Alright.
Okay, so his attacks. If he uses the Soul Stone, he spawns a Goomba. You jump on his head, the Goomba dies. If you don't jump on the head, and the Goomba touches you, you get hit. The other attack he used was a lava. That's the Reality Stone. He turns the floor to lava. If you touch it, you die. Currently, he also has the Time Stone on, which slows down your movement and basically gives you moon gravity. The Mind Stone reverses your directions, so if you hit left on the keyboard, you go right. If you hit right on the keyboard, you go left, which he just did, so as he...
No, he did the Goomba attack.
Oh yeah, he did the Goomba. Okay. Sorry, they look similar.
That was the Goomba attack. So the Power Stone is what shoots the purple. So there we go.
Yeah.
That's
direction switch. So if he hits...
So now...
left, right is going left, and left is going right.
So you have to fight him all
for 15 seconds, and then it switches back. Same thing with the Time Stone. You're slowed down for 15 seconds, and then it switches back.
Here's his Meteor attack.
Yes.
He will only do that attack if he's below half health. So that's a new attack he adds to his roster once he gets kind of hurt. God dang it, he just reversed me.
Yes. And there's a Space Stone. These meteors go to random positions. It is not based on anything. But the Power Stone, the force power waves, will be on the level you're on. So if you're on the lower level, it will be on the lower. If you're on the higher level, it will be on the higher.
Dang it. Really.
And you can hear the music changes with the boss.
I was really close. Oh, good thing it's on easy mode though. So now if I start over,
it still saves the round, and it. And he took damage to the
yeah,
gauntlet.
so you take damage from the gauntlet. But he's at 1. Oh, god dang it! Are you kidding me? All right, there we go. Frick you.
Okay.
Oh, here we come. Here he comes.
And bam! You fool! You think you're so tough to defeating those villains? You are wrong. And bam! Satan.
Now,
Columns of flames.
no matter what difficulty you're on, it's
No matter-
1 health. Oh, we forgot to change that variable. That is
normally he attacks 15 or 10
wait,
times or
look.
7. Oh, there he goes. Ah! Language, because we don't not like language here. This is a school.
Sorry, this is a school. We don't like bad language.
We don't like bad language. Well, this is a bit awkward. And then, since you saw him get killed, God is now trying to kill you.
You can shoot fireballs at God.
And there we go.
All right, I'm gonna start over.
Yep.
Oh no, I want to.
Completely start over.
All right, and then let's go through the code now. I won't go through all of it.
That's Darth Vader's code.
Wait, no. Okay, so no,
That's-
because we have to explain what some of the code does. So
Okay, so-
we'll explain Mario's code.
I can explain Mario's code because I wrote it.
All right, so you can.
Okay, so Mario's code. There is a lot of blocks. This used to be a lot more complicated than it was. It used to be a lot more complicated, but now it's fairly simple. Basically, let's go to the main code first. Oh, no, I don't want to move that. I want to scroll along. Come on! Boop, 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 boop. We totally rehearsed this, yeah. So if we go to the movement code, this is the thing that controls the movement left and right. These variables are basically, if the direction switch is activated, then the right arrow does what the left arrow would normally do, and the left arrow does what the right arrow would normally do.
In other words, Mario has a lot of code, and this.
Yes.
How long is this video? This video is already
7 minutes long.
Okay.
Cool. Okay.
Is it actually 7 minutes long?
Yes, it is actually 7 minutes long.
That's too long. All right, let's just
Okay,
skim
fine.
through the rest of the code.
Skim the rest of the code.
This is the pipe.
We don't need the pipe. Go to the health.
Health. So
There's
the
health.
health, it's round based. So depending on each round, it'll give you a certain amount of health. And
Yeah.
same thing. And then this is the hard mode.
If you're on the first
this
round,
is
you have
the round-
3 health. If you have
This is the round counter. Pretty simple.
Fine,
Basically, depends on what round it is. This is it tells you what difficulty it's at. This is Darth Vader. Basically, it says entrance and then the entrance through the game button. There's the sound, like the music he does and all his voice lines. And this is when he gets hit. This is his attack. Wait, no, where's his attack thing?
that is his attack thing.
No, this is his attack thing.
No, that's not his attack thing. The one you were
Oh
playing
no,
at
yeah,
first. This is his Darth Vader attack.
this one, yes.
We also are using variables very extensively in this
Yes.
entire thing.
There are a lot of variables.
There are a lot of variables.
All right, because this minute's okay. So basically, lightsaber, TIE fighter, thing.
Laser bolts for the
lasers,
TIE
the laser
fighters.
lasers are clones.
And then
Thanos.
Thanos.
Well, Thanos.
the Mad Titan.
Thanos has the same amount of code, but he has more attacks. This is his attack code.
Yes, there's a lot more attacks, but most of the attacks are in here. Apart from
This is
that's
Thanos'
his health.
There's
This is the gauntlet that
gauntlet
flies
that-
across the screen.
So there's the lava attack, there's the power attack, here are the meteors, this is the Goomba. This is Satan. You can't tell
Yes.
though because it's in the wrong costume. If I were to go to here, you can see.
There's Satan.
This is basic because Satan's a very basic fight. He just does 2 different attacks, but you have to survive.
You have to survive like 7 rounds, isn't it, in the final game?
Well, yeah, you're supposed to, but just so we could get through it, it was that one.
Yes.
So this is just his dialogue, and then this is him dying. Then this is Satan and God's health bars are the same sprite. I just moved them. That's his hand because his hand is what points at you, and also where the fireballs come from. This is the fireballs he shoots, and these are the flame pillars he shoots.
We didn't show the fireballs because we only had the chance to do one attack, but
Yeah.
basically he will shoot fireballs out of his hand.
Directly at you.
Yes, pointing to where you are when the fireballs first fire.
So this is Satan. This is his
That's not Satan, that's God's
I mean,
hand.
yeah, the hand.
That's the hand of God!
It's the master hand actually from.
Well, technically, yes, but it's God in our
Sure.
game.
So this is his entrance. This is him. His entrance based on the attack.
Yes.
This is
That is the animation for God's hand, where it'll go back and forth.
That. So this is the animation for it. It looks like a lot, but this is actually really simple.
Yes, it's duplicated a
and
bunch.
this is the second hand because this hand actually acts as when it comes down at first.
That's the one that comes down,
This-
shoots Satan in the.
It does this, and then this one appears afterwards. So it's a bit of trickery. They're not the.
Here's a little lesson in trickery. All right.
Then here's the easy, medium, and hard buttons, which are pretty simple. Just sets the rules. This is we set up this sprite just to sort of keep because there's
Generic round stuff.
there was no place to really put this, so we just gave it its own sprite. This is the buttons that bring you to each level. Pretty simple stuff. It just starts broadcasts the command to start it.
Yes.
This is Satan's or not freaking.
God's lightning bolts that he shoots at you in the final.
Yep. And then these are the fireballs
That you can shoot at God.
Yes, to damage him.
Yes.
All right. Well, that's all our code, and that's our entire game. Hope you had fun. This is too long of a video.
This is